How to add credit card as a payment method on Shopify. So if you want to go ahead and add a credit card as a payment method on Shopify in the easiest and most simplest way possible, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your settings, go over to your payments. Once you do that, click on add payment method, and in the payment method, choose any company that provides your credit or debit card, okay? So let's say in my case, I'm going to write in MasterCard, okay? And here you can see it's going to give me MasterCard. Now, once it does that, you're going to choose any of these providers. So let's say I'm going to go with the Ocean Payment, okay? You're going to go with Ocean Payment as your provider, click on Connect, and once you click on Connect, what it's going to do is it's going to load things in and it's going to ask you to install this application. So we're just simply and basically going to go ahead and install this application real quick. And once we install this application, we're basically going to be good to go. So yeah, there we go. Here we have Ocean Payment. You're going to set in your information, give your card terminal, give your credit, and like obviously tell them if it's a credit or debit card. You're going to let them know all of that, ask it to put in the secure code, and that is basically it. That is how you're going to add your credit card. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.